guys, it's me, Hugo, from Langmaster Learning System. Welcome to our series, Vocabulary for Communication. In this episode, we will be looking at the topic, check in. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Check in. Check in. Flight. Flight. Passport. Passport. Luggage. Luggage. Depart. Depart. Counter. Counter. Visa. Visa. Information. Desk. Information desk. Pass. Pass. Scale. Scale. Baggage. Baggage. Overweight. Overweight. Allowance. Allowance. Suitcase. Suitcase. Could you tell me where I check in for the flight NV100 to Japan? Could you tell me where I check in for the flight NV100 to Japan? I'd like to know whether there is a flight to New York. I'd like to know whether there is a flight to New York. Is this the counter for SC204 to Thailand? Is this the counter for SC204 to Thailand? When will the flight begin boarding? When will the flight begin boarding? How do I find Gate 8 from here? How do I find Gate 8 from here? Flight 127 departs at 9 a.m. Flight 127 departs at 9 a.m. I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. May I see your ticket and passport? May I see your ticket and passport? Do you have any luggage to check in? Do you have any luggage to check in? Your flight will be called within 10 minutes. Your flight will be called within 10 minutes. Here are our tickets and passports. Here are tickets and passports. How many pieces of baggage do you want to check in? How many pieces of baggage do you want to check in? Can I take this travelling bag as a carry-on? Can I take this travelling bag as a carry-on?
Good evening, sir. How may I help you?
I'd like to check in, please.
Great. May I please see your ticket and passport?
Here you are.
Okay. Do you have any luggage?
No, just this travelling bag only.
I see. Here's your ticket and boarding pass, and your flight will be called within 10 minutes.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Great! That's all for this episode of Vocabulary for Communication. If you've liked this video, please click the like button or subscribe for more videos. If you want to learn more about learning English vocabulary methods, please check out one of our books, Vocab Express or Vocab Workshop. The links for these are in the description below. If you want to learn more about learning English methods, then please leave your phone number or email address in the comment section below. I've been Hugo from Langmaster Learning System. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.